Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of my spring clean and decorate with me. Today we are going to be redecorating the bathroom, building some Ikea storage, and doing some cleaning and decorating around my apartment. So let's get right into the video. Guys, this is what my bathroom looks like before we get started. I'm not going to be decorating or doing anything too big. I'm just going to keep it light and small. I'm going to add some decorative towels and decorate them a little bit. I'm going to be adding a new shower curtain, and then I'm going to be bringing in some things that I DIY'd already to the sink area. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Even when it don't fit right. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. I am a wife, a mom of 4, and stepmom to 2. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in to see another video from me. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that all of you are here. I'm gonna go ahead and put up the new shower curtain. I purchased this shower curtain from Walmart, as well as the hooks. This is a fabric shower curtain, and girl, this is that budget $9.99 shower curtain. Check your local Walmart. I don't wanna let it down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm counted down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to sign now. I'ma feel her right now. Happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day. I'm going to be adding a bath towel and 2 hand towels. I will be decorating these towels. Now, I use things that I had around my house. I'm sure you guys can take this idea and make it your own and put your own little spark to it. I just used what I had around the house. I thought decorating the towels like this gave it a really nice little summer touch. As you guys can see, I'm not doing anything fancy here. I'm just making a regular bow, and I'm going to take those 2 end pieces and wrap them around, and then I'm going to add some faux flowers. As long as she's with me, I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Always down every weekend. No, I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, yeah. Can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't fit right. Moving on to this area, I ended up removing that basket, but I did keep the candles. And then I ended up switching out one of the faux plants that I had on the sink into another vase that I had on the sink. And I just added one of those flowers that I added to the towels. I'm going to remove everything from the sink and give it a good deep cleaning. I will be using Ajax to clean the sink. You know I'm a party with her, yeah. Here I'm going to be organizing underneath the sink. Now this is not going to be no deep organization. I just needed to get it together. It was stuff everywhere, and it just needed to be done. Here, I was trying to give underneath this sink a good wipe down, and you guys are going to see that I missed some spots. But, however, I got it together in the end. This was a school day, you guys. It was almost lunchtime for my kids, so I had to hurry up and try to film this clip so that I can make lunch. Listen. Don't come for me about my brown box. I know it's not the best storage bins down here, but I do have some things coming in from Amazon. This is why the spring clean part 2 was so delayed coming out, because I'm still waiting for things to come in and I'm still picking up things here and there. But you guys, don't come for me. Don't be talking about me. Look, she put that tacky box underneath her sink. Don't be talking about me. I had to use what I had.
Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, yeah. Waiting by the curb, too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride.
Back to the sink. I purchased this bathroom set from Walmart. I'm just gonna go ahead and add those items to the sink. I'm gonna add some cotton balls to this little DIY candy dish that I did. I just hot glued a ribbon around it. I did this a long time ago. I'm gonna be taking this sugar container that I had around the house. I cleaned it out and I'm gonna be adding some cotton pads to that.
I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone. For me, don't worry about me. See you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff.
Here, I'm just trying to figure out where I wanted to place everything. I did go ahead and put it back the way I had it at first. Some paintings to the wall in the front room. I purchased these paintings from Home Goods. This is the only thing new that's been added so far. On to the dining area. Now, I did go ahead and take the flowers from the planter basket that I made in the previous spring clean video. I added it to this vase and added some little marbles and rocks. The only thing new that we added in here so far is the little abstract art on the wall, and I purchased this from Home Goods. Another Ikea package have arrived. I'm going to go ahead and get started putting that together. Purchase a shoe storage cabinet from Ikea. I will insert a picture of what that looks like. The names and costs of everything will be down below in the description box.
Watch
I am adding the drawers. Now I did add majority of them off camera, but here is the finished product. I absolutely love the way this piece of furniture fits against the wall. And just a little heads up, if you are renting like I am, keep in mind that you will have to drill this to the wall, okay? Because if you don't, it's going to fall. It wasn't hard at all to put this piece together. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I'm gonna wipe everything down, sweep and mop, and then I will move on to decorating. Moving on to the laundry room, I made these little washing machines for my older kids. I made this on Canva. That way, when my daughter's home from college, don't know who's using the washing machine or the dryer at the time and they know to wait. They just take their name cards, use the magnets, and stick it to the washer and dryer, whatever they're using at the time. These little bins came from Dollar Tree. I just store liquid laundry detergent, fabric softener, and then the one at the top, I usually store extra dryer sheets and Tide Pods. I made this cute little label for this bottle off of Canva too. It just says laundry vinegar. I have white vinegar in this bottle. This is an old drink bottle that we had. I just kept it because I like the top on it. And I like to use vinegar as a natural fabric softener as well. Moving on to cleaning the washing machine, I'm just going to be cleaning with bleach and water that I have in this method, spray bottle, and a microfiber cloth. I'm really just going to be cleaning on the inside because, like I said in the previous spring clean video, this washing machine is not a self-cleaning washing machine. So I'm just going to go in and scrub away all that buildup of dirt from clothes and laundry detergent.
Some friends for you, cause you couldn't stand it, me all independent, so you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you, when I could add up 2 and 2, when you promised we'd be together, you, me, forever. Now there's nothing left to lose, and though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving. So heavy, think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face, what it's all
As you see, I already hung up the pictures and things that I was going to add to the wall. I'm going to go ahead and sweep and mop, and I will be bringing in the desk that I previously built that I purchased from Ikea as well. I'll be using these bed risers to hold up the printer underneath the desk. Thank you guys for tuning in to my video. I hope you guys enjoy my content for today. This area will be my son's new classroom. I absolutely love it. If you want to see how I teach my son and what curriculum I use, please leave a comment down below and I will be happy to record that video for you. But I love how everything came out. In this area, the little round circles on the top, those are just covers for your stove eye. I just added them up there with command strips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have a great week.